In this video, I'm sharing with you my walking tour last night at Moscow city center. In front of me is the Manege building. It was built in 1917 to celebrate Russia's victory over Napoleon. Now the building is transformed into a culture hub, hosting concerts, exhibitions, and even political events. There is something unique you will going to notice in Moscow. Look how they keep the light on the building, how they make the view very nice and charming for anyone who walk in Moscow at night. But not only this who makes me fall in love with that city. Lenin Library, and officially known today as the Russian State Library. From 1925 until 1992 it was called the Lenin Library. It housed around 47 million items and around 17 million books. Nightlife in Moscow is amazing, and Moscow too is a very rich city where you can find there so many landmarks you must see. And in this video we will just start apart from that journey around Moscow at night. Now I am passing the Alexander Garden. It's one of Moscow's oldest and most beautiful parks. This park was created in the early 19th century after Napoleon's invasions. The garden is located right beside the Kremlin walls. As you walk here you will see fountains, flower beds and monuments. That will tell you the story of the Russian past. But the most famous iconic place here is the tomb of the unknown soldiers. I am now standing in the main gateway into the Kremlin. The name is Kotafiya Tower. This tower was built in 1516 by an Italian architect as a defensive barbican. This is the only surviving barbican tower, so it's unique. Here another view for the Kremlin towers and the Kremlin walls. I am still in Alexander Garden. Again, this is the Manege building, but from the side which is facing the Alexander Garden. This is the Pashkov House. It was built between 1784 and 1786 by Pyotr Pashkov. The designer was the architect Vasily Bajanov. The house is overlooking the Kremlin and the Red Sqaure. The statue we see now is for Patriarrch Hermogenes. I am taking you now to the Manege fountain to show you how the fountains is looking at winter. I already shared a video for the fountain in summer and you will find the link in the description below. The place here is completely different in summer. So many people, lively, the voice of the water, the colors, everything is completely different. Please watch the video that I make for the fountain in summer. You will find the link in the description below the video. Now you see far there the Moscow Four Seasons Hotel. Kremlin. This is the Iberian Gate. It's a gate to the Red Sqaure, and here in front of this gate you will find the Moscow 0-point kilometer. From this way ahead of you, you can go directly to the Red Sqaure. Here is a close-up view for the Moscow Four Seasons Hotel. I get a little back to show you more panoramic view for the area where I am standing now. What we are looking now is the National State Museum. Thank you for sharing me the walking tour around Moscow at night. Now I am in the station where I will take this electric train to my house. By the way, this is Vire train station. I can reach here by underground and then I go up to take the electric train. Thank you very much.